What's up, today we're going to be reading the Airplane Shop 2017 catalog. Here's the first page. It says, the free capital value purchase. Next we have Skymark Supreme. Then, in this page, the Skymarks models. And here's even more Skymarks. Now we get the postage stamp collection. Now we have more postage stamp collections here. Then we have Gemini 200 and the Gemini Jets model airport here. And also the wide body hangar. Now we have Gemini 200 models here. Then Gemini Jets here. We have Hogan here and then the order form. Now we have Executive Series on. And here's more Executive Series models. Now we have purple. Now we have these Airplane Shop toys here. Since we mentioned these on other catalog reviews, then we have the vintage signs there. Then we have these filters. So I'm gonna put my address so you don't see it. Here's the wall art posters, and there is a offer from the Airplane Shop, which has expired, and it's the postage. Be sure to check our Scoop Pad Cafe Press blog, website, Patreon, Facebook, and be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and also check our Instagram account.